Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.
मेरा नाम अब्दुल वाहिद।
English में please.
इंग्लिश में मेरे इतनी फ्लुएंट नहीं हूँ।
No, that's not the problem because this has been telecasted.
Now you will clarify the meaning of the word lohe mahfuz.
Okay, law means law in
Lohe
Arabic.
mahfuz.
Okay.
I know the literally, but you just clarify what is the what.
What do I understand by that?
Yeah.
So Allah says, "Bal huwa Qur'anum Majid fi lawhim mahfuz." Quran is a reading. We have come to know that Quran means reading. Bal means but. Quranum Majid is a glorious Quran, the glorious reading. This reading is where it is preserved. Fi lawh mean a tablet. Fi lawhim mahfuz, in a tablet preserved. That's you are asking this. Now if you ponder on the ayah, that the reading, when the Qari recites, where he recites from? A Hafiz. No, from the law. Because Allah says in the ayahs that they were asked to memorize this book of Allah, the Ahbar and the scholar, وَالرَّبَّانِ وَالْأَحْبَارِ بِمَسْتُحْفِظُوا مِنْ كِتَابِ اللَّهِ. Allah demanded of them to recite, they memorize the ayahs of Allah. So they memorized it. So people say heart, brain. No, Allah is giving the word law. And we say this child has got plain tablet. You can write anything on it. His taqti the tablet is pure. So we Muslims, Allah has preserved the Quran, the reading in the tablet. And it is with mankind. And with Allah, of course. I'm not denying with Allah, of course, Allah is also. But with mankind also. Because people have been, if you ask in the world, is this book I hold in my hand is Quran, of course, ayahs. Where this is preserved. But how do you verify this is the correct written down? It is the Hafiz. It is all time Hafiz is reading from his tablet and verifying this is a mistake here, he will correct. So Hafiz people who have been preserving the book of Allah in the tablet, you can say heart in a language, but Allah has given the word as a tablet. That Bal huwa Qur'anum Majid. But Quran is a reading, Quran Majid, amazing, glorious. Fi lawhim mahfuz. This reading is preserved in a tablet. And this is from where the Hafiz have been reciting it and verifying it. This is wrong, this is true of this book. So all the Quran in the whole world in a book form or on a Hafiz is master copy. It is not a copy, it's master. Everyone is a master. If you commit a mistake, he corrects you. If you commit in writing mistake, he corrects you. So even the writing is preserved and even if the recitation is preserved. And that is the law in the mankind's law and with God also, Allah also.